If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Green is the prime color of the world, and that from which its loveliness arises. In nature, I feel the miracle of life. In life, all life, even tiny, buzzing life, I feel their passion, love, and soul. The poetry of the earth is never dead. Nature holds the key to our aesthetic, intellectual, cognitive, and even spiritual satisfaction. There is a pleasure in the pathless woods. There is a rapture on the lonely shores. There's society when none intrudes by the deep sea. And music in its roar, I love not man the less, but nature more. God's miracles are to be found in nature itself. The wind and the waves, the wood that becomes a tree. All of these are explained biologically, but behind them is the hand of God. Earth laughs in flowers. The world is good-natured to people who are good-natured. The happiest man is he who learns from nature the lesson of worship. Nothing in the nature lives for itself. Rivers don't drink their own water. Trees don't eat their own fruit. Sun doesn't give heat for itself. Flowers don't spread fragrance for themselves. Living for others is the rule of nature. Nature is full of infinite causes that have never occurred in experience. Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. In all things of nature, there is something of the marvelous. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Nothing is more beautiful than the loveliness of woods before sunrise. In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. Deep in their roots, all flowers keep the light. Let's permit nature to have her way. She understands her business better than we do. Human spirit needs places where nature has not been rearranged by the hand of man. Believe me, you will find more lessons in the woods than in books. Trees and stones will teach you what you cannot learn from your masters. Drinking nature is an unquenchable thirst.